Good morning, students. I hope you all are good and fine. Today's your English class, Chapter 5, The Woodcutter. The word woodcutter means a person who cuts the wood. So, let's start reading. A poor woodcutter was walking by the side of a pond. Once upon a time, a woodcutter cutting woods in the forest. His axe fell into it by mistake. Yes, woodcutter's axe accidentally fell into the river. He said, "Oh my God, my axe!" As he was trying to get it back, a beautiful spirit appeared with a silver axe in his hand. The poor woodcutter made a good search in the water, but his efforts were in vain. Finally, he burst into tears. Hearing his sobs, an angel appeared before him. An angel asked him, "How can I help you?" Woodcutter said, "I lost my axe while cutting the woods." Listening to his words, angel dived into the river and angel came up carrying a silver axe. She asked the woodcutter, Is this yours, my dear child?" The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine." The spirit disappeared and returned again with a golden axe. And she said, "Come on, take your axe," she said. The woodcutter did not accept it, and he stated that his axe was made of iron. She said, "This must be yours." But woodcutter again replied, "This is not mine either." Then the spirit went inside the pond and brought his plain wooden axe. Angel said, "Okay, this axe is not yours." The angel again disappeared and soon returned with a wooden axe. The woodcutter was happy to see his axe in the spirit's hand. He said, "This one is mine." "You have been so honest," said the spirit. "You can take these 2 silver and golden axes too." Yes, she came up and presented him with the golden and silver axe in recognition of his truthful nature. The angel was impressed by man's honesty. On his way home, the woodcutter met a rich merchant. The woodcutter told him the whole story. The merchant bought a wooden axe from him and threw it into the pond. The spirit appeared with a silver axe. "That one is mine," cried the merchant. "You know it is not," said the spirit, and again disappeared. The merchant's wooden axe was lying deep in the pond. He knew that he had lost it too. So we learn honesty is the best policy, or truthfulness brings its own reward. So that's all for this chapter. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye, children.